Hello guys, welcome to Success Engineering. In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create layer in AutoCAD. So to create the layer just open AutoCAD, go to this layer property, click on this new layer. Okay, the layer name, for example wall, change the color of wall, make it color number 8, line weight is 0.35, press OK. Now if you want to take another layer, just click on the previous created layer and press enter. Door, change the color, make it blue. Okay, and keep the door color 0.25. Okay, press enter. Click on the same click on this previous layer, press enter just to create the new layer. Window, change the color, make it magenta 0.25. Again, create the new layer, just click on the new, do the naming, and text. Make color white 0.25. Again take new 5, grid, make it yellow, press OK. New 6, BIM dimension, dimension is wide. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease this, you can increase and decrease this column width in the top. Okay, if you want to lock this layer, for example, if I want to lock this layer, lock it from here, lock, unlock. Okay, so I hope you have you learned something from this video. So please like, comment and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.